So this is Roza's point of view from catering the private dinner that she hosted for Bill and I. We actually did it in our own home, which made it such a nice, intimate, romantic experience. She went above and beyond, even the details to the heart-shaped napkins. Of course, you know we had to have the wine. She poured it all and everything. Plated the food in our home, cooked in our home. She had the fried shrimp tempura with her spicy mayo sauce as an appetizer. And then, of course, you know the entree. Gordon Ramsay would be so proud. That is roasted duck. She even had to debone the whole thing in the house. Use the duck fat for the potatoes and the green beans, because we don't waste anything around here, okay? And just, you know, first impressions are everything. Presentation is everything. So just, I'm mouth-watering just looking at the video and editing it. Yes, and Bill, he was so amazed with everything. And you know, you gotta have dessert. The fried peach cobbler with the ice around, you know, to make the smoke. It was just so aesthetically beautiful. Please book with her.